In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up approval policies in Bill.com. Now, the first thing you have to do here on the left, you want to scroll down and you want to go to Settings. So click on Settings, then click on Approvals over here on the left, and then click on the Bill Approval Policies. Now, when you are in here, you'll see, there we go, you can basically create a new policy. So just click on over here. And there we go. You can now create a new policy. So I'm going to type in a sample policy, for example, and of course you can select the policy type, either for bills or purchase requests. And then down here, you can select when the policy meets the following criteria. So I'm going to set criteria over here. So I'm going to do a total amount, and then statement is going to be, for example, greater or equal than 100 over here. There we go. And then you will have to basically select who's going to have to approve. So I'm just going to do myself over here, and there we go. So in our case, it's going to be when the total amount exceeds or is equal to $100, then of course I am going to have to approve it. So of course you can add a new criteria over here as well, and then when you're done, simply click on the save button, and that's really all you have to do to set up approval policies. If you want to add new ones, you can of course add them by clicking new policy top right, and you can again give it a name. You can go and select the policy type, and then again you can put in the criteria. So as you were able to see, there's going to be a few options. If you have total amount, you have greater or equal to a value, but of course you have also like is less than a specific value, and then you also have line item amount. So you'll have to basically see here you have the same statement descriptor. If you select vendor is or is not, you'll be able to select a vendor name over here. So of course you can make them to where you have to approve it if it's a select vendor, and then you have chart of accounts, and you'll be able to select if of course it's regarding a specific account in your chart of accounts. Okay, so those are all the ways you can do this, and then simply click on the save button whenever you're done, as I showed you, and there we go. That's how to set up approval policies in Bill.com. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.